Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah.
Hello, my popping queens. How are you doing? How are you all doing? I know you are popping. I know you're popping. Yes. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Have you seen the content on this channel lately? My glam team and myself, we are what? We are popping. Love you guys. Your girl is back, and in today's video I've got something beautiful for you guys, and it's what? Abby hair. Look at that. Look at that. Abby hair. Okay, Abby hair, it says 100% human hair. Okay, it's a wig. Okay, let's open it. I'm gonna open this now. I'm always happy and excited when I see a new hair. Okay, wig is a girl's best friend. Maybe not diamond, but wig is a girl's best friend. When a girl sees a new wig, she's happy. So what have I got here? I've got wig cap, and I've got this. Okay, I've got the hair care guide. Okay, yeah, so yeah. Also guys, I think Abby hair has got discount code, which I'm gonna leave in the description box. This video might be posted before Black Friday, so if I post this video before Black Friday, make sure you use your Black Friday code, okay, and shop with Abby hair. Black Friday, guys, why not? Okay, so yeah, this is the hair. New hair. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! This is the perfect length. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, let me put it on. This is so beautiful. Let's put it on the mannequin so we can see. Beautiful wig. Beautiful wig. Oh my God, it's a bob. I was wondering like what's happening here. This wig is a bob. I love it. If I knew this was a bob, I would have rocked this wig. This is beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. This is so beautiful, guys. This wig is beautiful. Perfect length, very silky. I love. Look at that. This is perfect for Christmas. I'm telling you, because you just want to be like this posh, classy, you know, babe. I love it. And you know what? It's a closure. Guys, I think closure is coming back, because guess what? With closure, you don't need to do any baby hair. You don't even need to glue it down. You can just wear it and you're ready to go. This is why I love closure. If you guys notice, even on my vlog channel, I wear a lot of closure because closures are easy. Easy to wear, easy to maintain, and they last longer, because with frontal, sometimes when you're doing baby hair every time, the lace might ruin. But guys, I'm loving it. Okay, so it's not even warm, but it's looking good already on the mannequin. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is to cut the excess lace. Excess lace. If you love your part deep, like really deep, you can part it even more. Like, look, see, the part can really go really deep. But let's see how this is gonna look with this short part. Nice. Guys, let's take a look at inside. Inside is very nice. Breathable cap as well. Look at that. Nice. So like I said, yeah, link to Abby hair is gonna be in the description box. Okay, Check them out. I love everything. Like, look at that. Really nice closure wig. Beautiful wig. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, check them out. Let's wear it. Ta-da! Guys, I love this wig. You will not believe this wig is what? Straight from the pack, yeah? Love the density. It's just that perfect density. Really nice wig. And it fits really nice. Very breathable. It fits really nice and flat. Like, guys, I didn't even curl my hair and my wig is looking flat like so. Like, seriously? Wow. Oh my God. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my God. Oh. It got delivered for more than a week now. I was thinking, oh my God, I need to straighten this hair because it's a straight hair. I need to do a lot for this hair to actually like look good. No serum, no conditioner, nothing. This is straight from the pack. Like, look at me, looking good already. You know, I was thinking I'm gonna tongue this hair. I brought my straightener, I brought the extension here, but no, I'm not doing any of those. I'm already popping. Easy. Woo! I'm looking like one rich babe. This is the perfect size. Wow. I'm so happy. Thank you, Abby. I'm just gonna be rocking this hair in its natural state. If I want to straighten it, I'll just straighten the top. I need a wax for these flyaways. Yeah, this is all you're gonna do. And I'm not gonna style or do nothing else. Yeah. Better.
Don't forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I no go bobo you, rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Aye, now why I sing this love anthem. Vegas to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Vegas to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper.
Yes. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I am popping. Guys, this is the end of today's video. I really love Abby wig. I love it because it's a closure. I love it because of the length as well. Very easy to wear. Look at that. I love closure wigs. Closure wigs are actually low maintenance and I love this particular wig. To buy this wig or any other wig from Abby Hair, the link is going to be in the description box or in the comment section. Leave me a beautiful comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this, my beautiful new wig. Okay, love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye. I no go bobo you, rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Aye, now why I sing this love anthem. Vegas to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Vegas to Las Vegas,